Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Justin Bieber type beat. To start, focus on a clean, polished sound with strong pop and R&B influences. Key instruments typically include punchy drums, a smooth bass line, and modern synths. Aim for a tempo between 80 and 100 beats per minute. Understanding these core elements is crucial for capturing that signature vibe. We'll build from the ground up, ensuring every component contributes to a cohesive and radio-ready sound. Next, let's craft the drums. Program a simple yet effective kick and snare pattern that drives the rhythm. Add hi-hats with a consistent, often 8th note or 16th note rhythm to provide a steady pulse. Incorporate subtle percussion elements like shakers or claps to add texture without cluttering the mix. Ensure your drums have a tight, punchy sound as they form the backbone of the entire track. This foundation is key to a professional-sounding beat. Now, let's focus on the melodies and harmonies. Create catchy, memorable melodies using simple scales, often major or minor pentatonic, to ensure they stick in the listener's head. Use lush, modern synth pads or piano chords for harmonic support, keeping progressions relatively simple and repetitive for emotional impact. Layer different synth sounds to add depth and richness, making your melody truly shine. This combination creates that signature pop appeal. Finally, let's develop the bass line and arrange your track. Create a smooth, groovy bass line that complements the kick drum, often using a sub-bass or an 80-88 style for a modern feel. Arrange your beat with clear sections like an intro, verse, chorus, and bridge to maintain listener engagement. Add subtle effects like reverb, delay, and compression to polish the overall mix, ensuring a professional and cohesive sound. These final touches bring everything together.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.